Are you interested in becoming an au pair in South Africa? Let's explore the process together. Before we dive in, let's clarify what an au pair is: an individual who provides childcare assistance to a host family. To become an au pair in South Africa, you must meet certain requirements. Firstly, you must be at least 18 years old and have completed high school. Additionally, you'll need a valid driver's license and a clean criminal record. Having previous childcare experience, first aid training or certificate is highly beneficial when applying to become an au pair in South Africa, but most importantly, you should love kids. Now, let's discuss the salary. Au pair wages can vary depending on several factors. On average, a full-time au pair working around 40 hours per week should request a monthly salary in the range 8,000 to 12,000 rand if they are required to have their own car, and around 5,000 to 8,000 rand if they aren't. This range can fluctuate based on factors such as the number of hours worked and the host family's financial situation. Remember, being an au pair is not just about the money. It's an opportunity for personal growth and cultural exchange. Living with a host family, you'll have the chance to immerse yourself in South African culture and build lasting relationships. Now that you have a better understanding of what an au pair is and the requirements to become one in South Africa, let's explore the application process. To start, you'll need to find a reputable au pair agency or use online platforms specialized in connecting au pairs with host families. There are a few au pair agencies like Genesis Au Pairs, Little Sunshine Au Pair Agency and Au Pair Extraordinaire. There are also websites and social media pages that you can register on. These don't always guarantee a position, however it allows for more diversity. Aupair.sa is one of the websites and Facebook pages like Au Pair Durban when you are based in KZN. Once you've found a suitable agency or platform, you'll need to submit an application form and provide necessary documents such as your resume and references. The agency or platform will then match you with potential host families based on compatibility and your preferences. Once matched, you'll have the opportunity to communicate and interview with the host families. It's crucial to ask questions and ensure that the host family's expectations align with your own. Once you've found a suitable match, both parties will enter into an agreement, commonly known as an au pair contract. This contract will outline your duties, working hours, days off, and other relevant terms and conditions. Now that you know the steps involved in becoming an au pair in South Africa, it's time to take action and pursue this exciting opportunity. Before finalizing your arrangements, it's essential to discuss and agree on the salary and any additional perks or benefits. Now that you know the steps involved in becoming an au pair in South Africa, it's time to take action and pursue this exciting opportunity.